How to delete blank page in Google Docs in 2 seconds. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the perfect and short process. So let's start with the video, guys, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google Docs page, and you can see this is my first page, and on the second page is blank, and third page we have some content. So I want to delete my second page because it is blank. Okay, so there is a one method. First we need to go in view and go to the show non-printed character. So if you have section break in your page or any other break like continue break, then you can see. So now this is my section break we have on this page, and we have some line space here. So what you need to do, first we need to click last line space, and we need to hit the backspace. Okay, now you can see my second page has been deleted, and the third content automatically come on the second page. Okay, now if you want to delete this section page, now just click on this last content or last above the content. Just click on above the content, keep the cursor here above the section break, keep the cursor here, and now we need to hit the delete button. Then your section break also delete. Now you can just hide the all space or non-printed character, so your content will be look proper. So that is where you can delete the blank page. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.